Find the capacity of this tank. That means you should multiply length, width times height to get the capacity of this tank. We know that. Then what is the volume of water in the tank? To find that, when you pour water into a tank, that will get the shape of the container. Since it is a cuboid shaped tank, water will be in a cuboid shape as well. So now you should find volume of the water. Then find the empty volume of this tank. We know the capacity, and now we know the volume of water in the tank. From the total capacity, when you subtract the water's volume, you will get the empty volume of this tank respectively. Try the question by yourself first. Thereafter, I will explain. There are two methods to find the answer, capacity and volume. First, I will use centimeter measurements to get the capacity. First, to find the capacity, that is also a volume. Okay, total volume of this tank is called as capacity. 50 centimeters multiplied with 1.5 meters means 150 centimeters times 0.7 meter means that is 70 centimeters. So we will multiply them. First 1, 2, 3. There are 3 zero measurements, and 5 times 15 is 75. 75 times 7, it should be 525 cubic centimeters. This would be the volume of this. No. This is the volume of water. This is the volume of water. For the water column, look at this: 50 centimeter times 1.5 centimeter times 0.7 meters. So it would be 525,000 cubic centimeters. This is for second part question. I will find the volume of this tank. To find volume of the tank, I have to multiply 50 centimeters times 150 centimeters. The width and the length of the tank does not change. Only changing one is the height. Accordingly, the volume changes. 1 meter is the total height. So in centimeters, it would be 100 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 zero. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times 15 is 75. Times 1 it is 75. So 750,000 cubic centimeters. That is the volume of this, capacity of this tank in cubic centimeters. From the capacity, from the total, when you subtract the amount of water in it, we will have the volume of empty void space. We will find that. From the total 750,000 cubic centimeters, I will subtract 525 cubic centimeters. So that will give you 225,000 cubic centimeters. Here, 225,000 cubic centimeters. That is the empty volume of this tank in cubic centimeters. Firstly, I found the water, volume of the water, thereafter capacity of this tank. From the capacity, when you subtract volume of the water, you will get the empty volume of this tank. Now let's use meter measurements to find capacity. This is 50 centimeter width of this tank. I will convert it to meters. So that would be 0.5 meters should be multiplied with the length of 1.5 meters with the height of 1 meter. So it would be 0.75 cubic meters. You convert the meter cube into liters, it would be 750 liters. Next, second one, we want to find the volume. So volume is 0.5 times 1.5 times meter is 0.7. 525 cubic meters. In liters, it would be 525 liters. Then for the final one, volume of this empty volume of this tank from 750 liters. When you subtract 525 liters, we will have 225 liters or 0.225 cubic meters. That is the empty volume of this tank in cubic meter or liter measurements. I used both methods to explain. You can choose the convenient one to you.